In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a successful marketing campaign in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refine your approach to campaigns, you'll find these instructions both clear and effective. First off, let's begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you've got that covered, you want to navigate to the Marketing tab in the main menu. This is your central hub for connecting all aspects of your marketing strategy, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available. From here, select Campaigns. This section is where you'll create and manage your marketing campaigns, ensuring they align well with your overall business goals. Next, click on the Create Campaign button. This is where the strategic fun begins. You're prompted to enter essential details about your campaign, so start with a compelling name that clearly reflects your campaign's objectives. Follow that with a detailed description to give context to your team or anyone else who might be involved in the campaign. You'll also need to set your start and end dates. Having a defined timeline helps track the campaign's progress and align team efforts accordingly. Now it's time to associate marketing assets with your newly created campaign. These assets can include a variety of content such as emails, landing pages, blog posts, and social media posts. Essentially, you want to include any piece of marketing material that will help communicate your message and engage your audience effectively. Associating these assets in HubSpot is pretty straightforward, but always double check to ensure everything is linked correctly. This integration helps in maintaining a cohesive and coordinated marketing effort. After your campaign is up and running, it's crucial to monitor performance metrics to gauge its success. Look out for key indicators like contacts influenced, the number of sessions generated, and of course, any revenue directly attributed to the campaign. HubSpot provides a comprehensive overview allowing you to easily track these metrics. Regular monitoring not only keeps you informed, but also allows for real-time adjustments to maximize impact. But it doesn't stop there. Effective campaign management involves using reports and dashboards to analyze the overall effectiveness of your efforts. With HubSpot's robust analytics tools, you can dive deep into data to uncover insights that inform your future strategies. Are you hitting your targets? If not, what factors could be adjusted or optimized? Using these insights allows you to make data-driven decisions that enhance not just the current campaign, but also lay the groundwork for success in future initiatives. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of setting up and managing a marketing campaign in HubSpot. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to executing a campaign that's not only well coordinated, but also driven by insights and tangible results. Happy marketing!